this chapter 3 entitled Supply Chain Operation, Making and Delivery. This chapter involves making and delivery, in which this category is a part of the supply chain operations. In making, it consists 3 activities that helps the operation to make or produce product and to satisfy the needs of consumer. These are the product design, product scheduling, and facility management. First, I learned that in the product design, this activity has an important role in operation because the product should be more effective and durability and being modular to easy access in a production. Secondly, product scheduling is important in a proper scheduling in balancing the movement of the production also, and the what, how, and how many to be produced in a certain product. And lastly, the facility management. I believe that in deciding in terms of facility management, a company should consider a capacity and the location of it. Capacity, it refers to the volume of or the count of the product. On the other hand, I believe that location of the facility should be considered important because it is the ensuring or securing the product. Delivery is the shipping of the product from place to going to another place, or delivering product going to consumers. And I learned that in delivery, a logistic process should be in favor of both parties, with the company and consumers. This is to ensure the good process of the delivery of the product. Also, in delivery scheduling, there are direct delivery and milk run deliveries. Direct deliveries, this is where the delivers in the process route and distribution of the product. On the other hand, milk run deliveries, I learned that this delivery process, it uses multiple places to deliver a product, and mostly it is being used in international buying or delivery. Also, there is the return process where the consumer are free to use. It is called the reverse logistics. I believe that this is essential for a good outcome of the delivery operation. In conclusion, this chapter taught me that in making a product is not easy, and because a certain product is going through a proper and difficult process. The delivery is also hard phase of procuring a product because before it being delivered to the consumer, the transportation of it is it has a lot of process.